Alright, so for the second part of my vlog, here's the body of my guitar. My first guitar. I'm going to restore it, put some wirings on. The first thing that I need to do here is to put this on. The original part here has been damaged already. So what I did is I recycled a bottle of soft drink and cut it into something like this and put the guitar output jack on. So let's go ahead and install it. Alright, so we're actually done installing the output jack, the LUC Rio, and right now we're gonna be adding screws to the body. Alright, we'll be installing the screws to the body, to the pick guard. From the pick guard to the body. If you can see, it really looks old. I want to preserve its age. I don't want to restore the paint. I want to leave the cracks there just to show you that this one is very old. I bought this way back 2003 when I was still in college. So, alright, let's go. Just install the strings. Need to tune it up and then we'll test it later.